morning to all of you. Today from MGIMS, I, Dr. Poonam Verma Shivkumar, would like to talk a little bit about alternate birthing positions. To tell you very truthfully, when this concept came, we were really thinking about it and we were not very sure whether alternate birthing positions will help us or not. But when the concept of respectful maternity care came and when we started looking into it, we went through the literature, we felt that this is something which can be done, and let's see how the results are in the rural population. So we thought of doing a study and we did a thesis for 3 years, and after doing that I am coming back to you to tell you that alternate birthing positions should be done by every obstetrician, because this is something which is going to change the scenario of labor room. While doing this thesis, I went into a lot of literature. We realized that it is a recommended practice. Many of the Western world is doing it. And believe me, there's one Fernandez Hospital, I'm sure you all must be knowing, in Hyderabad. They are doing alternate birthing position. So before doing this thesis, my nurse and the postgraduate who was to do this thesis went and stayed there with them for a few days and learned the techniques and came back, and then we started doing it here. We started from the scratch and we developed a proper infrastructure, because by that time we had got sanction of the MCH wing and the MCH wing was being made. So we thought that let's develop that structure, what we need, infrastructure, what we need for doing this alternate birthing positions. We developed it on our own. There were certain things which were very expensive and we did a lot of modifications, and we developed the whole set of alternate birthing techniques. To tell you very truthfully, alternate birthing technique is they are actually different variety of techniques which I personally feel should be done in every labor room, especially in the medical colleges, and then it can go down to district hospitals and below that. We have got some excellent results which I would like to share with you. Like, we have done deliveries in lateral position, we have done deliveries in squatting position, we have done deliveries in birthing chair, we have done deliveries in the bathtubs, which is actually hydro labor, and some excellent results have come. Now, if you would like to ask me what was the best way, so I would like to tell you that when we did hydro labor, we gave hydrotherapy, we saw that there was shortening of the total duration of active phase, number one. Number two, episiotomies were much lesser, tears were there, but there was no more blood loss in this. There was number of cesareans were reduced. I am really surprised. I am not able to really comprehend how and why it happened, but definitely in these cases, number of cesareans were much lesser as compared to what we do in the normal dorsal positions or lithotomy position. There are many advantages which we got. Patient's comfort in the chair was extremely good. Patient by bar holding and then delivering the baby was really a way which helped quite a bit, because probably it was an upright position and gravity helped her. So the delivery was much easier. The pain sensation which was felt, and we measured it through a scale, was really less in hydro labor as well as birthing chair. So there are a lot of things which we are going to present in the form of our articles, and I'm sure you all would be able to see. But before going into those details, there are many questions people have, that what do we do and how do we deliver. So I thought it would be wiser that we make this video and show you how we have done and how did we start. So let's go to the labor room and let's see how we have developed this and how we have done these kind of alternate birthing deliveries. Thank you. Thank you. So what you are seeing is, this is our counseling room. In this counseling room, initially when the patient comes, the first thing is that patient is counseled. And if you see, there is a sister in charge who always takes the counseling of the women who has come pregnant. Now, for a minute, sister, I would just request you to please see, this is our labor protocol. This is our labor protocol of alternate birthing position and its counseling. So if we see here, this is our labor protocol which we have developed, and we have clarified it that once the patient comes inside, who will be responsible for bringing her inside, how the female birth companion will be selected, what will be the responsibility of the female birth companion, who will take her to the labor table, what would be the responsibility of a staff nurse, what would be the responsibility of doctor, who will do the documentation, who's going to tell all about the baby to the mother. Once she delivers, who will take up the responsibility of observing her for 5 minutes, how female birth companion can help. So all these things we have put here. And if you see, there is also in Marathi a consent form for alternate birthing position. So that consent form is always taken once we have already counseled her. Now this is our institutional policy for counseling about the alternate birthing position. Now sister, I would request you to please do the counseling and explain what you tell the patient. You should be a little louder and take your mask lower down.
आमच्याकडे फक्त टेबलवर झोपूनच डिलिव्हरी नाही होत, तर खूप साऱ्या पद्धतीच्या डिलिव्हरी होतात. ठीक आहे, तुम्हाला तुमच्या पेशंटची कोणत्या पद्धतीने डिलिव्हरी करायची आहे हे मी तुम्हाला सांगते. तुम्ही बघा तुम्हाला तुमच्या पेशंटची कोणत्या पद्धतीने डिलिव्हरी करायची आहे. ही एक डिलिव्हरी आहे. फक्त मी तुम्हाला समजावून सांगते, तुम्ही ऐका. ही एक डिलिव्हरी आहे जी बॉलवर बसून केल्या जाते. ही डिलिव्हरी केल्याने पेशंटला जास्त त्रास होत नाही आणि इझिली बाळ बाहेर येते. म्हणजे खूप जास्त त्रास होत नाही या पद्धतीने डिलिव्हरी केली तर. ठीक आहे, ही दुसरी डिलिव्हरी आहे. ही अशी या पोझिशनमध्ये डिलिव्हरी करायची आहे. बाळ बाहेर निघाले तर आम्ही बाळाला मागून पकडू. या पद्धतीने डिलिव्हरी केली तरीही पेशंटला जास्त त्रास होत नाही आणि व्यवस्थित डिलिव्हरी होते. ही डिलिव्हरी तर तुम्हाला माहीतच आहे. ही डिलिव्हरी टेबलवर झोपून केली जाते. आणखी ही एक डिलिव्हरी आहे जी अशी चेअर असते आणि चेअरवर या पद्धतीने बसले, चेअरच्या खालून बाळ येतं, ते बाळ आम्ही पकडतो. या पद्धतीने केल्यासुद्धा पेशंटला जास्तीत जास्त पाठीचा त्रास होतो झोपून डिलिव्हरी केल्याने. या पद्धतीने डिलिव्हरी केल्यास पेशंटला पाठीचा त्रास होत नाही आणि इझिली बाळ बाहेर येतं. ठीक आहे, आणखी ही पद्धत आहे बेडवर या म्हणजे उलट्या साईडनी झोपून सुद्धा डिलिव्हरी केल्या जाते. या साईडनी पण पेशंटला जास्त त्रास नाही, दुखत नाही आणि आम्ही सगळे तिथे उपस्थित असतो आणि ही चेअरवर बसून डिलिव्हरी केल्या जाते. कोणाकोणाला बसून जास्त वेळ बसून राहतात पेशंट, तर पेशंटला न झोपवता चेअरवर बसून पण डिलिव्हरी होते. या पद्धतीने पण पेशंटला त्रास होत नाही आणि बाळ सुखरूप बाहेर येतं. आम्ही सगळे तिथे असतो. ही एक डिलिव्हरी आहे. ही पण बसूनच डिलिव्हरी करतात. या पोझिशनमध्ये काय असते, एक असा लंबा रॉड असतो, त्या रॉडला पकडून सुद्धा डिलिव्हरी उभ्याने करू शकतो. उभ्याने पण डिलिव्हरी होते. फक्त तुम्हाला असं पकडून ठेवायचं आहे रॉडला. ठीक आहे, ही पण एक बसून डिलिव्हरी आहे. गादीवर बसून आहे आणि बाळ इथून खालून बाहेर येतात. आम्ही सगळे असतो.
वर खाली आहे म्हणते ना, वर खाली आहे म्हणते ना.
नाही, ही बघा, ही डिलिव्हरी आहे, पाण्यातली डिलिव्हरी. बघा, जास्तीत जास्त ही पाणी कोमट असते. कोमट पाण्यामुळे पेशंटला दुखतही असलं तरी जास्त जाणवत नाही की तिला दुखत आहे म्हणून. कोमट पाण्याने पेशंटला दुखण्याचा त्रास कमी होतो आणि या पद्धतीने बाळ आधीच पाण्यात असतं आणि बाळ निघाल्यानंतर ते पाण्यात राहिलं तरी बाळाला धोका नसतो. आम्ही सगळेच तिथे असतो. बाळ पटकन आम्ही आईच्या पोटावर देतो.
I'm going to take you to the room which we have developed for these kind of alternate birthing positions, and if you come and see inside, there are various birthing positions which are there. It's the choice of the patient. While doing the counseling, patient gives the consent in which position she wants to deliver, but yet we leave her open that whichever position she wants to deliver, she can deliver. So if you see here, this is the ball and this is hung in a rope. Now this rope is opened. Sister, please would you like to tell how do we deliver? So when she is in labor, in her first stage, to reduce her pain, she can just, bataiye sister, she can do like this and ensure that she can stop her pain. She can, move this way, that way, so swaying can be done, and this is how she can reduce her pain. But when she is delivering, this rope is opened and this ball is taken out. So this ball is taken out. This is a very simple ball which is available in the gyms, so everyone can get that. Now with this rope, she can hold and she can just reduce her pain whichever way she wants. And once she is delivering, she just pushes it here, sits on this, and like that she can deliver. Now how do you sit for delivery? Can you please tell that? How do you sit for receiving the baby? So you will see both of them will sit down like that. They will kneel and they will sit, and there are also stools there. So these are the stools which are available. Can you show them these stools which are available on the chair? So they can be kept here and she can very easily pass the baby here. That's one way we are delivering. How do you sit for bar delivery? So this is a bar, very simple bar which anybody can make, and here she sits. So she is just like this and she passes the baby. And if you see, we all sit here like this. We sit here and we are sitting here and she passes the baby, and we can very easily press the perineum as well as the anterior part and then take out the baby, and here we keep the tray for receiving the baby. So this is another method by which women can be delivered. Another method what we are doing is this birthing chair. Sister, would you show? At back, she can spread her leg on this side and we sit here like this, and the baby comes out from here. On the lower part you see there is a tray. This tray we cover by lot of gauze pieces and sterile sheets, and then the baby comes and passes down. She herself can pick up her baby and then put the baby on the breast. So that is what we do. By making these small stools, we can very easily see, watch, support and then deliver. So this is also another way of delivering. Lateral position, see there is a bed. In this room, if she wants to sit laterally, and then we support the baby from this side. So this can also be done. The most interesting is hydro labor. When you see, this was a simple armchair which we have converted into a chair, birthing chair. And if you see, any armchair can be used, but all what you have to do is you have to make it so soft that when the woman sits there, she should not get hurt. And the area which you have to cut should be such that the baby can easily pass out. And the below the tray which is there has to be broad enough so that the whole baby goes in that. And once you cover it with the cotton pieces and the sterile sheet, then it becomes completely sterile. What we have done. So it is a simple bathtub in which what we have done, we have put two sponge things here which will make the women lie down very comfortably. And if you see, we have put here thermocol and covered it with plastic so that it doesn't get spoiled. There are water flow, there's a very special water flow mechanism. There's a geyser there which makes the water warm, but the geyser is set in such a way that it will not make it too hot. It will just remain warm. From here it comes, and then this can be removed. As you see that the water is becoming bloody or anything, it can be removed, and there's a suction down there. You put the switch on and the whole thing is sucked outside. So even if the cloths are there, they can be sucked down there. So this is one hydro labor mechanism which we have developed, and we would like to share. We have done 18 deliveries, all of them absolutely fine babies, no birth asphyxia, no issues, no amniotic fluid which has gone inside the mouth or nothing, absolutely. And I am going to show you how do we do it. So once we have got the consent, the lady will come here, and from this side she will go inside the bathtub. Now once she goes in the bathtub is already filled with warm water. The temperature is checked by a very special thermometer. Now she can lie down here. Holding this, she lies down. Someone will help, and she can just rest her hands. She wants to read books, she can read, and she is all in the water. Only thing, sometimes in Indian women, they do not like to be naked. So what we have done, we have brought this raincoat. So we give them this raincoat so they can cover if somebody comes or they feel little bit of there's little bit of hesitation, then they can use that. And this is very comfortable way. All what we do here is that we sit on this side like this. We sit on this side, and when she starts pushing, on that time we put our legs inside, and now what you will see here that our legs are covered with some there are some special plastics which we have made. We cover our legs with that so that the steriles, the water on the legs, these are footwears which we wear till here so that our leg do not touch the water, and then we just bend down and we can support the baby. There is one person who can sit here and receive the baby in the tray. The baby comes in the tray, and immediately the lady will pick the baby and put the baby on the breast. So this is what we have done n number of times, and this has worked very well. And in this particular hydro labor, the pain has reduced significantly, the bleeding has been very less, the women has been able to pick up the baby and quickly put on the breast. And when the baby is held in a position that baby cannot take the water inside, because baby is upside down like this. So in a tilt and immediately onto the baby's breast. So this is also another technique what we have done. I have shown you all those equipments which we have developed on our own for doing alternate birthing positions, because if you really go into these equipments and you see the cost, it's so high that affording them is an issue. However, if it is possible for you to get those already made, well prepared chairs and all, that would be great. But if you want some low cost initiatives, then you have to develop like us what we have done, and they work very well. Now I'll request my postgraduate, Dr. Megha Batla, who's the one who has done this thesis, to share with you what has been her experience and what have been the results. I think that will give you a clear and vivid idea about, using these alternate.
Good morning everyone. Today I am here to share with you my experience on the thesis I did on alternate birthing positions and the comparison with dorsal position in terms of materno-fetal outcome. Though when I started, it was quite challenging because we had not started it here, But with the due support of ma'am, and she motivated me to do it and she sent me to learn it, we started here. After starting, initially, though it was difficult because counseling patients regarding something new, something different is a bit difficult in rural areas, but we had a separate pamphlet and counseling sessions antenatally as well as during labor, and we told them all the benefits and how they would be comfortable and how their choice would matter the most. And that is how they started delivering in different positions, and once we started, it has now become a routine. Now we offer them all the positions, similarly a cafeteria approach. They choose whatever they feel like and then they deliver. During this procedure, what I saw was, initially it was difficult, but then when women knew that they have the right to choose, which they did not normally get in rural areas, that felt them more empowered, and they decreased their pain, it increased their confidence, and they also, it helped them bearing that. And all those postpartum side effects, all those postpartum blues, they reduced, they felt they were in control of the situation. And we could think, we in our thesis, we saw that the blood loss decreased in alternate birthing positions due to the effect of gravity. The second stage of labor was shorter in duration, the pain was less, the support, initially the perineal support was a problem, then all the sisters and nurses, they were taught how to give support in different positions, and then it was easy. Believe me, it is not difficult to give support in different positions. Hydro labor initially was difficult because the parents were more worried about the neonatal outcome. Once they were explained that it does not have any effect on the neonatal outcome, and even in our thesis, we found that in all the birthing positions, it did not affect the neonatal outcome. So this encouraged them that yes, the pain is significantly less and the cervical dilatation rate significantly improves in hydro labor. So that is how they started delivering through hydro labor. And when we talk about the cesarean section rate, the cesarean section rate has significantly reduced to 18% in women who deliver through alternate birthing positions. And the maternal satisfaction rate, when we calculated it using this scale, we found that the women who delivered in alternate birthing positions were satisfied and they were ready to choose these different positions in their next delivery also. So on a whole, it was a very good experience for the women and for us, because our aim of providing a respectful maternity care was fulfilled in this type of alternate birthing positions.
So finally, I recommend that all of us must go for alternative birthing positions, and believe me, you will all realize that we are reducing on your episiotomies, we are reducing on cesarean section rate. The patient is much more comfortable, she dilates much faster, and if we know exactly the way how we should record the fetal heart, how we should deliver the baby, then there will be no issue at all. As far as complications are concerned, what complications we have with the lithotomy position, the similar complications are expected for alternative birthing positions also. So you can't blame that those complications are only because of alternative birthing position. So my request to all the obstetricians is that we all should go for alternate birthing position.